Hey guys, we are back. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're first stopping by, thanks for stopping by. I think last week I did a video on the wooden cards that I made, the deck of wooden cards. This week I got something a little different. I made something a while back. Wanted to share with you, and it is a set of wooden dominoes. It's a game a lot of people play. It's getting more popular year by year. But I'll just move my camera here and I'm going to show you these wooden dominoes that I made. Here we go. Now right here is a set of double six wooden dominoes I made. There's 28 tiles here for a double six set. And then you can get a double 9, double 12, double 15, and double 18, which would be, I think, like 96 different tiles. Double 6 is the only one I made. These are made out of maple, 3/4 inch maple. And each block is 1.5 inches wide. And each block is, let me see here, 4.25 inches long. So 1.5 inches wide, 4.25 inches long, solid maple. And then for the little black line right here, if you can see right here, the little black line that divides the two numbers, that is actually ran across my table saw to make a little kerf mark in there with my table saw, and then I just painted that line black. So that's cut right into the domino. That's not painted on. And then also the dots that are on there, them are actually axle pegs that I get because I make a lot of wooden toys. Them are actually axle pegs. Are probably, they probably go more than halfway. They probably go more than halfway through up here. They don't go through to the back, but they go in quite a ways. What we do is, like this double six right here is yellow, and we do each number, the 5s, we do blue, and then the 4s, we did a brown color, and then the 3s, we did a pink color here, and then you have the 2s, we did an orange color dot, and then the 1s we did a green. And then also you have your one doll here, or blank, that doesn't have anything on. That's in every domino set. So yeah, these were fun to make. You just take them axle pegs. You're gonna have to cut them if they're too long to fit in there, and you drill holes and you just glue all these in. You're gonna have to paint all these pegs first and then drill your holes. And when I made these, I made a template with 6 holes in. So when I lay that template on here, I can mark where all my, like if I go 4 or if I go 2 or 5, I made a template for all the different holes that go different areas for making different numbers. And that helps out a lot. And then you got to sit and drill all them holes and put in all your pegs, but you're going to end up with a nice domino set. This is great for kids to play on the floor. Obviously, these dominoes are a lot bigger than the real dominoes, so it's going to take a bigger space to play the game. But you know, you got your 6. You start out with your 6 there, and somebody could put a 6 right here, and then somebody could come along and put this double space right there. You know, I think that's how the game is played. I'm not sure. I haven't played the game in a long time, but somebody could put a 6 right there, and then you got your 5 that goes right there. So it's just a fun game to play, and because these are bigger than the normal dominoes, you're going to need a bigger area to play these. Now, if you make a double 9, you're going to have a lot more holes in here, and a double 12 all the way up to 15. So it's going to, you might have to use smaller axle pegs if you go all the way up to 18 dominoes. Now, I'm not even sure if I can fit 18 on this half right here. I haven't made an 18 yet, so, and I don't know if I will, but I'll have to see how I can do it. Now, if you don't want to use the axle pegs, you could just take a Forstner bit and drill a hole in just a little bit and paint the inside of them holes. That might be easier. And then after you paint it, if you get a little paint on the domino, you could take and sand the paint off, and then the inside of the hole that you drill with your Forstner bit would be the color. You could go black or white, just like the original domino. And that's one idea too. I might do some dominoes like that. But I'll have to see if I make another set, how many axle pegs that can fit on this small block. Because I want to keep my dominoes all the same size. I want to keep them all 1.5 inches by 4 1/4. So if I ever make another set, I'll maybe do another video and show you. But these are actually fun to make and pretty easy to make, really. And I chose maple because maple is a real nice hard wood, tight grain, and you're not going to get much of a slivers from it like pine or something like that. So it's actually a pretty wood. So yeah, these are fun to make, and your kids will love them. If you're trying to teach your kids the game of dominoes, they could go on the floor and play this, because it's, like I say, it's going to need a bigger area to play, and they can learn their numbers and all the other stuff that goes along with it. So I just wanted to share that with you with this video here. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, and throw out any comments on the video if you have under the comments, and we will try to get another video out for you within the next week or so. So thanks for watching, guys. Just thought I'd throw this out there to you. So see you next time on another video.